Looking back to the past, there is always a pursuit of wireless connections, but for wireless screencasting, it has always been difficult to achieve. Wi-Fi screencasting are too dependent on network. Frame drop issue and latency have always been a problem. However, I have recently experienced the PeakDo millimeter wave wireless HDMI and seem to have found the perfect wireless screencasting solution. Inside the package, there is a 60 GHz millimeter wave transceiver set which supports 1080p. It contains a transmitter and a receiver. This is a wireless docking station that is used to connect to the casting device. It is equipped with a 45-watt charger, and underneath are cables that comes with the set. The connection process is simple. First, connect the HDMI cable and the Type-C cable to the receiver. Insert the transmitter into the docking station. Insert two 18650 batteries to power the extender, and place the phone directly into the Type-C port of the extender to start pairing. At this point, we can see the phone is casting onto the TV, and because it is using the mmWave technology, it will be more reliable than Wi-Fi transmission, with a much lower latency while maintaining a wireless transmission up to 30 meters. Connect the iPad directly to the docking station. We can establish doing office work wirelessly with just an iPad. In addition, its advantage becomes more obvious when casting using the iPad to play games. The iPad can be controlled to the controller to play games on a large screen. Moving on to Switch. The game console can only be placed by the side of the TV while playing games. After connecting it with PeakDo, the Switch console can be placed by your side, more convenient to operate such as switching games and gamepad. PeakDo transceiver is adapted to many devices. You can switch between different devices. PeakDo has surely cut off the wires between the mobile device and the TV.